Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create this layout using Flexbox. I've already set up the React app and I'm going to start adding elements to the layout component. To start, I'm adding a div with a class name container that will contain all the elements within this layout. Next, we are going to add 2 columns, and within each column will be 2 separate elements. These elements will be styled the same but have different background colors. Here I'm adding the flex property and setting the direction to row. This will display all the elements horizontally. For the columns, I'm adding the flex property and setting the flex direction to column. This will display all the elements vertically. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have any questions.